Welcome to AI in 3 minutes. Let's dive into what artificial intelligence actually is and why it's transforming the way businesses operate around the world. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. It enables systems to learn from data, recognize patterns, make decisions, and even improve themselves over time without being explicitly programmed for every task. There are many types of AI. Some are narrow and task-specific, like voice assistants or spam filters. Others are more advanced, like machine learning models that can predict trends, personalize content, or automate decision-making at scale. So, how is AI used in business? Let's explore 5 key areas. 1. Customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants provide 24/7 support. 2. Marketing. AI tailors ads and recommendations based on user behavior. 3. Finance. Algorithms detect fraud and automate financial reporting. 4. Operations. Predictive maintenance in factories prevents costly downtime. 5th, HR. AI tools screen resumes and match candidates to roles more efficiently. Companies use AI to gain a competitive edge, boosting productivity, reducing costs, and making better data-driven decisions. And it's not just big corporations. Startups and small businesses use AI for tasks like social media management, inventory control, and sales forecasting. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical concerns around bias, transparency, and data privacy are critical. That's why successful businesses combine AI technology with human oversight, ensuring fairness, accountability, and trust. Artificial intelligence isn't science fiction, it's here, and it's shaping the future of business today. Whether you're in tech, retail, healthcare, or logistics, AI is a tool that can help you do more with less. Want to learn more about how AI can help your business? Subscribe, like, and follow us for more quick insights on emerging tech.